Today's today's topic is loop control statements. As we are human beings and really we feel bored when we do the same task again and again. But in computer programming languages, we have the loop control statements or repetitive statements, or we also call it iterative statements. The use of this loop control statements to repeat a particular task again and again till some condition is satisfied, or either a fixed number of times. Okay, means you can repeat a particular set of commands either for a fixed number of times, say 10, 20, 30, 40 times, or you can continue the loop. You will repeat the loop till some condition is satisfied. Okay, so we have two loops in Python programming. First one is for loop and the second one is while loop. Let us start with the for loop. So the syntax for the for loop is for any variable in range. Then in the parenthesis we have to give the range. Suppose 0 to 9, 0 to 10. So this is the lower limit. This is the lower limit. This is the upper limit. The number of execution is upper limit minus 1. Means the total number of times the loop will be executed 10 only. 0 to 9. Okay. Then otherwise you can also do like this 1 to 11. So then also the 10 times the particular commands will be executed. And then after we have to put the colon sign. Then press enter. Now you can write any message that you want to repeat. So print welcome to my tutorials. Just close it. Now we have to run this file. So how to run this? Simple run module. Just click on OK. So in the Python shell, you will get the output. So here you can see I have just repeated the loop 10 times. So 10 times the message is coming. Okay. So this is for loop. Let us make some another programs using the loops only. The next program that I want to explain is to print the table of any given number. Okay. So before that, just see printing 10 natural numbers from 1 to 10. So for I in range, this will be the same, and these are all are the comments. Na? You don't have to bother about. These are simply comments. This will not be interpreted by the Python. Okay. So for I in range, let me go 1 to 11, same thing, and I want to print the numbers. Then put comma the value of I. Now every time the value of I will be printed. The first value of I is 1, then 2, 3, 4, like that. Just run this loop, run module. Okay. So you will get the output 1 to 10. Fine. Now we will start for printing the table of any given number. Okay. So how to do that? What changes you have to do? Just see it. For I in range 1 to 11, that is okay. Okay. One more variable we have to take, integer, any number. So integer, then input, enter any number, then close the brackets. This is the command. Now here I have to put no multiplied by I. So I value is 1 to keeps on changing, and the number will be same. Suppose the user enters 10. So 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja, 10 3 ja. In this way you will get the answer. Now run the module. Click on OK. So it is asking now number. Suppose I have entered 68. So now 68 tables come. We can also print table in a table format like. Let me show you. So print, I am now changing here number 10, suppose 10 number. So 10 multiplied 10 1 okay. After each things you have to put the comma, so number will be printed, then this cross will come, then after put again comma, the value of I, because 10 1 10 2 like that we have to show, then put equal to sign, then number into I. So this is the formula. Okay. So NO means whatever the user will enter number, suppose 62, so 62 will come. Then cross, the value of I is keeps on changing 1 2 3, so 62 1 62 2 62 3 like that, and then equal to sign will come, then the multiplication of both this number. So now see, it will show the table in a table format only, just like table of 50. So 51 50, 52 100 like that. So this is the next program, right? You can also note down this program for the practice. Okay. Only these are the important 3 lines. And this is just a simple comment only. Okay. I think it is clear to all of you, right? So just practice this commands. Okay. Thank you.